Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Porsche Macan. First, gather your essential tools: a good set of jumper cables and a donor vehicle with a fully charged 12-volt battery or a portable jump starter. Always ensure both vehicles are completely turned off in position so they do not touch. Safety is paramount, so consider wearing protective gloves and eye protection before you begin. Now let's connect the cables correctly. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive jump start terminal under your Macan's hood. This terminal is usually covered and marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive battery terminal of the donor vehicle. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the negative battery terminal of the donor vehicle. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Macan, away from the battery itself, to create a good ground. With the cables properly connected, start the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 2 to 3 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your Macan's battery. After this brief charging period, try starting your Porsche Macan. Once your Macan's engine is running, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the exact reverse order of how you connected them. Remember to drive your Macan for at least 30 minutes afterward to ensure the battery fully recharges. Here are some important tips. While your Macan's main battery is located in the rear cargo area, always use the dedicated jump start terminals under the hood. If your Macan still doesn't start after a few attempts, double-check all your cable connections for tightness and proper placement. A completely dead battery might need professional help or even replacement. For long-term storage, a battery maintainer can prevent future flat battery situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.